my first day of trying out my new classes, or trying to find new jobs. Hello? Is this the mall? Yeah, there's a big mall. Sorry. I don't know how to read, man. I'm going to my first shop. So it says here, you don't know how to lead. You don't know anything about a moth. Yep. That's me, Kitty, Crazy Kitty. I'm sorry, but you can't come to the mall and you can't find a job here. Dang Flabbit. Guess I gotta go. You know, everything bad happens to me. Oh, I gotta go to the potty. Oh. The potty fell. The potty's going up. 5 minutes later. That was good. Hot, toasty fire. Well, guess it's time for bed. It's day. At least I know how to clean a house. I cleaned my house. Now all I had to do was clean my toilet, which I haven't cleaned last year. Ow! Well, guess I gotta go out and find another job. Hey, I can probably ask Bob. Yes? Hi, Bob. Do you know anywhere I can get a job? Yes, Bob's house. How many Bobs do you know? 5,000. Cool! Here's his instructions and blah, blah, to get to his house. Alright, thank you. Thank you very much. Oh my God.
This is Bob Fisherman. How may I help you?
Do you know I can get a job?
At my doctor's office. This is your portal. Nope, you're not old. We need people who could read and a good with the history.
Then I'm not your girl.
Come back next year.